not trust no clothes from the people them shop. Guys, me I beg you know. When I can't restart the live here. You're such a liar because no, but nurse, him are the person who carry clothes come give me. Right? When I have my money up there, so him spend my money. You get what me I say? Me no owe that the woman the nothing at all. And the woman when me like sit down on social media tell lie for TikTok police. Eh? Like me like the woman, you know. You see the woman where they at the shop? Sometimes he said to me, say, babe, go on down, they go take what you want, me I come pay for it because I him have the money. You ever tell the people them say in a relationship, you have the money. You hear me I tell you? You have my money in a year pocket. And you tell me if you go down and the lady go take something from the lady and the lady give it to me. Me no owe that the woman there. You go down and the lady and you trust the woman clothes and give it to me for wear. You understand? And you trust clothes down there because right? And you never tell, look here, when you tell, yes, when you trust the orange suit, me never know say I trust it. Me never know say I trust it from the woman. Right? So me no want you walk and tell no lie pa me, bro. Listen to me, man. You're too fucking lie. And that me eat about you, your tongue is a lying person. Everything you tell lie about, bro. When me walk, me even come a pop in. Look here, sell the blood clot TV. Sell the TV, I'm pay the lady. Sell the kettle, I'm pay the lady. And that me say, TikTok police, sell the kettle, and pay the lady the bill. Sell the TV, and pay the lady the bill. That me want you to do. Right? Now come out here to come look no hype on my name. Sell the TV, and pay the bill and take the change. Sell the kettle, and pay the bill and take the change. And that good girl Anya say. You're a look a dirty person. I eat you like I do a blood clot poison. You always do this fucking shit, youth. I'm gonna talk about me trust. You not tell the people them say shop clothes you wear. I don't say you get your clothes from. Everything where you wear out of that woman the shop. I you see you lady, you're a liar woman. Lady, you're a liar woman. I'm like you, you know. Lady, I like you, you know, lady. And you come up there, you pretend like say me and you good and you smile with me, you know, lady, you the pan camera. You know long you want the pan camera. You push up your look black self, you come like a bump. You come like one black blood clot blackhead. I say you enough, lady. You come like a blood clot blackhead. Lady, you're so wicked. Brown, me a focus brown. Something if you deal with them people, I'm too wicked and lie. And you see you look a tough foot back boy. You look a tough heel back boy. How come you have a woman where in your community at trust? You should have shame. You should have shame. How comes you have a woman in your community at trust? You're not supposed to take care of your woman. Eh? You want woman and can't take care of woman, so how you go come on social media come tell people say me a trust? Me not supposed to have good man to take care of me. And anywhere I go, you know some I have my good money. But now why you fuck yourself with me not toad? You come like a Squidward from SpongeBob. Squidward don't ramp with me. And don't tell no lie for me. You hear me tell you? I'm tired of blood clot you. You too fucking lie. And you see for the clocks? You see for the clocks? Understand this about the clocks. Just like how I cut the clocks, as somebody do want cut you. Just like how I cut up the clocks, as somebody do want cut you. And the clocks never did good. And you know what the clocks never did good. Yeah, not going like a real clocks. And not going like any brand clocks. I never know brand clocks. Right? So nobody come up and say come go on like who a brand. It never a brand. It fake like you. It's a fake motherfucking clocks. Or fake just like you. Alright? You give me a fake clocks with fake just like you. And just as all I cut it, as somebody want cut you. Like literally, as somebody want cut you. Yeah, your dry rotten clocks. Right? As somebody want do you. So imagine a clocks where the clocks in go through. And imagine a you made it want put through that. Alright? Fuck off. Your pressure. Yeah, baby. Oh, go get ready, yeah. May I get ready now? May I get ready? Relax. May I go get ready, guys? You stink like a lie. That's why you get so fucking ugly. When me did that with you, you did cute. No, me don't know where you at, Tony. You get ugly. Like me not lie to you. Like me eye them, I woke up and I said, Jesus Christ, so the boy ain't cute. So oh, you get so fucking ugly. Honestly, when me did this night there with you, you was so freaking cute. Now you're ugly. Me not lie to you. Why you get so ugly? And why your face just a dry out so? Why your face just a maga down so? You look like a Squidward. Leave me the fuck alone.